Header tutorial on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a nice header section for Wix.com for your editor's page. And first of all, if you don't know how to create new sites, check my previous videos and I'm sure you will understand how to create the sites. It's pretty easy. For this video I already did a site, but as you can see, we have nothing in our header section. We need to fix this. So first of all, what we wanna see in our header section, of course, our company logo or the name of our business here, and for example menu here, where we can have such buttons as home, shop, contact, about, something like this. So first of all, we click this button, add elements, and we wanted to put here our logo. For this, you click this button, upload images, and through this page you can upload your company logo from your computer. But I don't have one, so I will use another way. Let's pick this art, and just imagine this is my company logo. What we wanted to do, as everyone knows, when you click on your business logo on site, it's always redirect us to the home page. It's very useful tip. Just click this button, link, and choose home page. Done. And now when you click this button, it's always will redirect us to home page. Next, what we are going to do, we need to put menu here. You have very big options, many options to add menu. I really like this one, so I put it right here. And as you can see, the colors of these buttons are not really match our site, so we need to fix this. Easy click this button, no, don't this button. Settings, advanced, design, customize design. We need to choose this one, menu items, and now we can choose any color you want. For example, I wanted to do it like something purple, like this. Yes, I think it looks amazing, but we don't really need this home button because our logo already a home button, so we need to delete this. How to do it? Settings, manage menu, home, hide from menu. And now we have 3 buttons left. Let's check this out, how it works. Click this button, work, contact, shop. Yes, we don't have a shop section, so, but it's fine. And this button, is working. Yes, you can see it. So let's back to the editor, and I wanna add something interesting. We need to find button. I wanted to add this shop button instead of this one. So we need to delete shop, and link, cart page. Done. So I think it was very useful video. I show the basics how to work with header section. Now you know how to manage it, how to customize it and personalize it for your site. So leave the like and subscribe to my channel if you learned something new from this video.